We'll see how many engines he's got. He ran him pretty close behind Amtrak there. In 45 minutes.
78415 West Line, clear Montrose.
He cleared Montrose, is that what he just said?
Mm-hmm.
Coltrane? Yeah, well, maybe we'll get another one.
All right, guys, let's take a couple of these ties in the truck.
There you go.
Man, they are heavy. I tried to lift up one end of them, and I couldn't do it.
And that's why they got that crane nowadays. You know, in the old days, the guys used to have to. Remember they had the big tongs. You ever see that? They get two of them with the tongs, and they throw those. Can you imagine what that used to do to your back? Oh, those guys must have been wrecked after about 10 years.
There was a show on TV, Route 29, Colesville Road. They're all going to put the
bus thing,
extra buses and bus lanes. And
You know, I run all around Rockville in the mornings, and I see them ride on buses.
Here it comes.
Yeah, I'm always amazed at how empty a lot of those buses are. So to me, sometimes, and I know a lot of poor people end up having to take the bus, right? So you gotta be careful about cutting back too much.
Well, I mean, the metros were really empty,
yeah, that's
only
nothing
about
going on downtown. You know, people aren't even going to work. You know, staying home now.
might be shut down.
Yeah.
Well, they're gonna cut back service on tomorrow. They're gonna cut back the number of trains tomorrow. And they're talking about cutting back the number of MARC trains.
You're gonna run it on the R schedule, like
They're
6
gonna run a
trains a
Saturday
day?
Yeah,
schedule.
they said they're going to do the restricted schedule. I don't know how many trains. MARC didn't say how many, but they're just not having as many passengers, so they're going to cut
Yeah,
back.
because on the R schedule, there's 3 in the morning, 3 in the afternoon.
Is that all they do?
Yeah.
I don't think that'll be enough.
We got to go over to Brookville Road, honey, and watch them work on the.
I mean,
on
they
the
should
purple
at least.
line.
They should
They're
at.
doing, they're doing the track work. They're
Are
doing
they?
the retaining
Are
walls.
there? Yeah.
They should at least put that early train that only comes on Fridays and. Well, it came on Wednesday before that. That train.
Yeah, the
that
one
comes
it's separate one. They do it like 2 o'clock or 1:30, 2 o'clock.
150,
Yeah, you gotta watch
155.
that one coming back because they run it back real fast. They run it up to Brunswick and then they bolt back down on.
Yeah, we see him at like
Track
3:30.
Track 2. He comes
see
flying
him.
back.
3:30 to 4, we see him
Yeah.
zoom.
Yeah, he's always going fast. I was in Gaithersburg one day, and the guys were working on the tracks, and they all of a sudden they jumped off the tracks.
They're scattering.
Oh,
right?
they did those. They're on Summit Avenue there, and that thing came flying around the corner, man. I was
Wow.
like, ooh. Could
Wow.
have wiped out about 5 of those guys. They were doing the asphalt on the by the tracks.
Oh yeah, the
tracks.
crossover.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And they had a little steamroller going, and I was like, ooh, this train is moving. He's going slow, isn't he?
Is that a new one?
Can't tell.
I don't think so.
Have you seen any of the new ET 70s?
No.
There's only 10 of them they bought, and they had them first running in Florida, but now Ray said he's seen 2 of them come by. I see them in the Midwest now, so they were first running them just down in Florida, and now I think they're in the whole system, but they've only bought 10 of them so far. I think they're kind of testing them out.
Gonna have to search it up after this.
Yeah, you look it up. They're called ET.
ET phone home.
Like ET phone home. ET 70s. I think it's AH.
You watched ET, right?
Sure I did. I went to the movie theaters and my wife watched it. I love that movie.
I know, it's kind of funny
Did you
too.
ever see that movie? No.
Yeah?
E.T.'s a good movie, yeah? It's got a good ending. When he goes flying up on the bikes, I like that, right?
Yeah.
Halloween.
It's like he's the new Yoda now.
Yeah, that's really a cool ending, huh?
I don't know I don't know what he used to make those bikes fly, but
It was pretty slick, wasn't it? Yeah. That was a good movie.
so he's getting close now.
Very upbeat. He's something.
7200 West Line, all clear Rockville out.
What did you say? Rockville?
Yeah.
Yeah, he is going slow.
Yeah, he's humping it.
He does.
Yeah, it's an empty coal train. They're running really long trains.
He's going a bit faster now.
Get up the hill.
It's a good horn there.
Get up the hill.
What are the
7,200. Look at that number. You look him up. That's the rebuilt one. They just redid all those AC-44s. 7,200 is one of the first rebuilds.
How come he had that is an empty cone.
Look at that, 129 cars on it.
Huh.